Hi there, and welcome to today's practical planning tip by ParkBridge Wealth Management. My name is Jonathan Shenkman. I'm the president and chief investment officer of the firm. Today, we're going to discuss financial advisory fees based on a question I received from a friend recently. The question was as follows. I'm looking for a financial advisor, but everyone I had spoken to charges a percentage of assets under management. This is an absurd business model. Why don't more advisors charge a normal hourly fee like a lawyer or CPA, which is optimal? So I found this question moderately amusing since my friend seems to believe that the fee structure for a CPA or attorney was optimal. I asked him, have you ever worked with a lawyer or a CPA? Is their fee structure really more reasonable? Every fee structure has incentives. They are incentivized for taking their time. Some would even argue dragging their feet and being less efficient. I'm not saying that this is the way every CPA or attorney conducts their business, but this is the type of approach it incentivizes to work slowly, possibly inefficiently, and without any sense of urgency. If an error is made in their work, and this is not uncommon, they will need to revise their work and they get to bill even more hours. And speaking of hours, both lawyers and CPAs need to bill a certain amount of hours every year at most firms. So they will take the time to get in those hours, even if it means costing the client more money than it should to work on their engagement. Also, how do you confirm they're working all the hours they claim? And how do these professionals prove they're actually working and not schmoozing about politics with their colleagues or checking their fantasy team or using the facilities? And what about all those rookie lawyers and CPAs who charge a boatload of money but don't actually know anything and need to spend time asking their boss? You're paying to take the time to learn on the job. It's momish insane. Listen, I understand that attorneys and CPAs need to be paid for their service, and perhaps an hourly rate is the best of all options. Maybe not. Regardless, is this really the fee structure that you're using as an example of being optimal? Seriously? All that being said, there are also financial advisors who charge project-based fees, which makes more sense than an hourly rate, in my humble opinion. I still believe that an assets under management or AUM model makes the most sense for the most people. As you make more money, the advisor makes more money, so you're sitting on the same side of the table. You also don't need to worry about paying to ask a simple question or even a more involved one. It's all included in the fee. It's a simple, streamlined approach. Furthermore, an AUM advisor actually implements the strategy for you, so you don't need to procrastinate, which is a major challenge for most do-it-yourself investors, and why many of them don't end up doing anything. Listen, I understand that an AUM model may not work for everyone. Everybody's different, and thankfully, there are other fee models to choose from, even if they are suboptimal. You just need to find a competent advisor in whatever fee model you're choosing. Frankly, I believe the biggest advantage that financial advisors have over other professionals like attorneys and CPAs is there are constant debates on different fee structures, hybrid fee arrangements, and it's easy to find whatever you're looking for. Few other professions have such healthy dialogue of differing fee models, as well as so many practitioners and varied fee arrangements. That's the key. And by the way, I'd like to note that the lawyers and CPAs I know are all worth their fee and are exceedingly honest. It's just the other lawyers and accountants that I've been critiquing. And with that, I hope you found this practical planning tip helpful. Until next time, stay prudent, practical, and don't forget to plan ahead.